Hello YouTube, this is the Wise truck. We'll be doing the oil change on it. It's a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. I'll show you everything step by step. First thing you should do is open the hood. First thing we're gonna do is locate the drain plug. Let's get under the truck now. Here's the oil filter. We'll change that right now. So the filter is right there. And the plug is right here in the back. It's this one right here. So as you can see, I got the oil pan ready. So all we have to do is loosen this bolt and spill the old oil. So I got my ratchet for this one. It's going to be a size 13. Let's go ahead and loosen it. So the nice thing about these trucks is that you don't need a jack, floor jack. You could just get under the truck. There it is. So this truck has about 200,000 miles, and it's still going. As long as you keep it, do the maintenance on it, it'll last you forever. So that's what we're doing now, the oil change. See that? Go ahead and let everything out. Let's go ahead and put back the plug. Just wipe around there. Grab the towel. Put back the plug in. Let's go ahead and put it back now. Let's go ahead and tighten it. Go hand tighten it first. That you tighten it with your ratchet. So you don't want to tighten it too tight. What we're going to do next is change this filter. In order to get that filter out, you need one of these special tools, the pliers, to get it out. Let's go ahead and do that now. just go ahead and once you have the grip, as you can see, sucker's really tight. Hopefully it's enough. Goes a filter. Go ahead and replace it with a new one. Alright, so go ahead and wipe down there with your towel. So here's our new filter. Go ahead and hand tighten it first. Just hand tighten it. You don't have to use the tool. Just take it out. You should be able to hold it. Just hand tighten it. You don't need no special tool. Just go ahead and hand tighten it. You should be good. Also, where this oil spill, you just wipe it down there. Just wipe it. All right, that's it. So the last thing to do is just add the oil. The new oil. For this one, you'll need 7 quarts. All right, as I mentioned previously, you'll need 7 quarts. And where you add the oils right here. That right. All right, let's go ahead and add the new oil. See this? Just go ahead and grab a towel and wipe it off. Same thing for here. Just grab a towel and wipe it off. All right, let's go ahead and add the 5 quarts. So there's the 5 quarts. Also have 1 quart, so 2 extra. So let's go ahead and add those 2. That one's done. Let's add 2 more quarts.
Hi, Miss Girl, what are you doing?
So we need to add the 2 quarts more. There's one. Let's add the other one. There it is. Tighten that. Go back. Alright, so next thing you have to do, check your oil level. In order to do that, all you have to do is pull out your dipstick. Just locate it right here. Now you have to check the oil level. See, you just got the oil change. Just pull it out. Just wipe it down. Go ahead and put it back. As you can see, the oil is about right here. That's where it's supposed to be. You're lower where it says right here. Where it says right here. If it's here below, you have to add more oil to it. But since we're right here on the safe side, it should be good. You can hardly see the oil because it's brand new. Just wipe it down. Put it back in. Do the second check, put it back in there. Go ahead and put it back in. Just the same procedures, pull it out, check the level. As you can see, the oil's right about right here. So yeah, we should be good. It's about right here, the oil. So we should be good. It's right there. Right here. So there you have it. That's all for today. Let us know how it was. How was your experience? Thank you for watching once again. As you can see, it does have 200,000 miles. As long as you maintain your car, it should last you. Alright, let's get the oil from there in here. So you can take the oil to the outer part. Let's do that now.
Okay, then go see. That's it done.
You see the oil spill? But that's okay. We'll just clean it right now. I got my helper right here, my 1-year-old, he's got the camera. He's recording. Hi, Manny. You got it, mijo? You recording? All right, thank you. Wait. Ah. This is the little man that just grabbed the camera right now. Hey, Manny. Say hi. All right, here you go. This is the old oil. Just make sure you get the oil changed regularly. And that's it. So we're going to take this to the auto part now, so they can recycle it. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and that's all for today. See you till next time. I just wanted to end the video with thanking little Rob for the shout out. As you can see the background, there's the little man, cameraman. He helped me earlier to record. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you all for your support.